How to design long scrolling Behance presentation. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create or design a long scrolling presentation on the Behance portfolio. It is very easy and simple. Here we have two methods. I'm going to show you the first method and you will set the parameters and the dimensions that I am going to let you see on the second method, which is Photoshop. I am going to use for this method Canva. Now let's go ahead to Behance. You have to sign in or sign up for your account on Behance, and also you are going to sign in for the account of Canva. Then you are going simply on Behance, click on share your work, and here we are going to put a project. Now we have here everything set, as you can see, and it is waiting for the images or the design. Now let's go to canva.com, and here we have the website or the interface of Canva, and simply we are going to create a design. How to create that specific long scrolling design? It is very easy. I'm going to click on create a design. Here I'm going simply to click on custom size. On the custom size, I'm going to put the width of 1920 and the height, this is the play, I'm going to put, it is normally 1080 pixel, but here 1080 is only for one design. Let's say that I want to put 5 designs. It will be a little bit of mathematics here. 1080, it will be multiplied by 5. And I will let you see here we have the calculator. Here we have 1080 by divided or multiplied by 5, and here we have the length or the height of the project. I'm going to put, for example, for 10, let's go with 10 designs. Let's see here, go back right here real quick. I'm going to put 1080 multiplied by 5,400. Create a design simply right here, and here we have the long scrolling design. Now let's go ahead with this one, and we are going to create the only the positions of the uploads or the project that we have created. For example, let's go ahead to the elements. I'm going to put a background color, so we are going to see the unique background, which is not split it right here. Go ahead and put this background. Then you are going to zoom in a little bit on the design so everything will go well and you can see clearly what are you doing. Go to the elements. For example, I'm going to add some elements right away. Let's go ahead and add this one. Click on here, and here we have this. I'm going to make this picture smaller. This is just a combination of pictures that I am going to use to let you see how we are going to make this scrolling design. Here we have the bakery, for example, like that. I'm going to put the bakery. Here I'm going to add some text. For example, you can go ahead and add a heading, or you can add a font combination like that. We'll see this font combination. This is a lot bigger that I wanted to put. This one also is a lot bigger. Let's see here and make it a little bit smaller, at least 5 or 4 designs. Here we have it, these designs like that, and here we go. Put it like that simply. Here we have the font, for example, Jack, like that, Smith Designs, and here we have it. The code is to be deleted. Make this one to the middle, and here we have it. This one I'm also going to add some pictures that I have. Let's go ahead and add some designs. This is the picture that I have right here. A logo also. Put that logo right away. Make it like that. And here we have some examples also. I'm going to add this as an example. I'm going to make it vertical like that. Make it a little bit bigger to match this one, and here we have to match everything. I'm going to put some of the photos that I have created also. I'm going to put it as a puzzle, make it a little bit smaller to fit in here. Then we are going to put some of these photos. This is the equivalent of 5 images under each other. So we are going to put whatever we have here, make this cartoonified photo used by Canva or created by Canva. Make this smaller, and here we have it. I'm going to put this a little bit longer to match up with the others. Let's go ahead and add another picture like that. Drag and drop it, make it a little bit smaller, and we are going to fill the gaps right away like that. And here we have it. I'm going to add some of these also. This is the design that I'm going to put right here like that, and boom. I'm going to let's see some of the borders. Here we have another photo that we are going to make or resize like that. Put it right here. Put those like that. Make it smaller. Drop it right here. Make it a little bit smaller to fit right away here. And simply I'm going to see a banner. I think that I have created a banner before. Let's go ahead with this one. Since I don't have a banner anymore, I'm going to put this last photo as a banner, for example. Here we have to make this a little bit longer. And here we go. Let's say that this is the long scrolling. Now I'm going to click on share, download this, and we have 1920 by 5400 pixel. Click on download as a PNG. Then simply I am going to wait for the result. It will be a little bit a massive file to be downloaded, I think, since it is a long file. It has some of the photos that we have added. Here I'm going to check out the disk that I have. Now I have set up my disk. It was full. I'm going to the Behance project. Click on add some content from here or from this sidebar. Click on image, and I'm going to search for the download that I have set. And here we have the image. Click on open, and simply, as you can see, we have the image. It will be uploaded soon. And here we have the scrolling option, and here we go. If you want to make this a little bit bigger, you can go ahead and adjust the size of it. For example, I'm going to resize it. Click on custom size, 1920 for the width. This is a must. And here for the height, you can put it for example twice. For that, let's say that here we have the equivalent of 5 images on top of each other. I'm going to put, for example, right here 10,800 for 10 images. You can go ahead and put this, and you will be good to go. For Canva, you can't put more than 1,000 pixel, but in Photoshop you can go ahead and put with a lot more of pixels. For example, on 10,800, which is the equivalent of 10 images in the row, and you will be good to go. You can, for example, make this a custom. I'm going to put 8,000 and see the result. Here we have continue, and you will see here it will resize that. I'm going to see the resize result, and here it will be normally guided or have some height for it. And here we have the project. As you can see, it is scrollable, fully scrollable. We will see here everything that we have, the designs, the photos, and also the text. It is fully customizable. That was very simple and easy to do. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you soon on the next one.